App Composer enables you to easily create, test, and onboard an application definition. Click your user profile and select App Composer. To start composing a custom application definition, hover over the server name and click New App. The application composer form is displayed. The App Composer UI is made up of three main areas. On the left side, all your custom applications are listed. In the center panel, build your application definition, save it as a local application definition, and then publish it as a global application definition. The right side provides a preview of our application definition in the job submission form. The four starter application templates are provided. You can choose a basic SMP or MPI based template for your solver, or if you are creating an application definition for remote sessions, you can choose a template based on the target operating system, either for Windows or Linux. These properties are common for all application definitions. These parameters are based on the chosen template. Let's compose a custom OptiStruct application definition. Provide a name for the application definition. Browse and select an icon. Enter the input and output file types for OptiStruct. Enter the executable file path. You can specify the command to run the OptiStruct executable. Multi-line shell scripts are also supported. You can also get a list of parameters by typing a $sign. Click Insert Variable and select the required parameters. We can specify a pre-script Python script that can be run before the job is executed. The editor supports syntax highlighting and code completion. Similarly, you can specify a post script that will run after the job is executed. You can also specify the default values. Click Add an application parameter to add or remove parameters. The application preview and test panel on the right displays the job submission form for the application definition we have composed. Currently, we are seeing only the required fields in the job submission form. To view all the fields in the job submission form, click Show All. Hover over the arguments for helpful information. Click Save. Provide the input file to submit a job. Verify the job submission command and the solver launch command. Verify the form fields and the default values. Click Test and Submit. The job is submitted. The job monitoring page is displayed. You may select a different file from the file list and view the details. The new application definition is added to the existing applications definitions list. The job is complete. Let's now compose an application definition for a remote session. Select the remote session starter template. As before, specify the application name, icon, executable, and the parameters. Specify the required values. Click Save. Verify the form fields and the default values.
Click Test and Submit.
The job is submitted. The console shows the details of the job. Click Connect to launch the remote session application. The remote session application definition is added to the existing application definitions list. The new application definitions are added in the users applications list. This is a local application definition and it is available only for John. John wants his local application definition to be available to all users of Access Web. To do this, he has to publish his local application definition as a global application definition. Click Publish. The application definition is shared to the administrator. Administrator logs in and get to see the application definition published by John. Click the application name and save it as a local copy. Administrator verifies and edits the application definition. Now the administrator publishes the application definition as a global application definition for all users.
Click Publish to everyone.
A globe icon appears for the application definition. John receives a message about a change in the application definitions. Click Jobs to view global application definition that is published. The global application definition can be unpublished to remove it from the list of applications for all users. Let's look at the other options of an application definition. You can share the remote application definition that you created with your colleagues. In the Share Application dialog box, specify the usernames. I would like to share the application with Smith and Liz. Click Share. The application is shared successfully. Smith logs in and sees an application is shared. Click the application name and saves it as a local copy. You can clone an application definition and continue to update it. You can also delete the application definition. Notifications are displayed and the application list is updated.